amplifiers. So last class I explained about class A amplifier. So today our class is class B amplifier. So what is class B amplifier? So the class B amplifier, the conduction angle of class B amplifier is 180 degrees. So the conduction angle means, so the conduction angle means the transistor is on for only 1/2 cycle of AC input signal. So the efficiency of class B amplifier is more. So it is nearly around 78.5%. The distortion in case of class B amplifier is more. So the efficiency is more and the distortion is also more in case of the class B amplifier. The normalized power capability of class B amplifier is same as that of the class A amplifier. The output power, maximum drain current and the maximum drain voltage of class B amplifier is same. So here the in case of class B amplifier, the bias is arranged to shut off the output device of every cycle. So only it is only conduction ante we can get the drain current only for the half cycle of AC input signal. Okay, so it is a this does not provide linearity operation. Why? Because the output is not exactly the same replica of the input voltage. Only half of the AC input signal is we can get at the output side. So we still care about out of band spectral components, and a high quality resonator is absolutely mandatory in order to maintain the acceptable approximation to a sinusoidal output voltage. So for the linearity of operation, linearity means the output is exactly same as that of the input voltage. So in case of class B amplifiers, the output is not the same exactly as the input. So we need for this we need the high quality factor resonator circuit. So I can explain about the efficiency of the class B amplifier. You can observe in the graph, that is drain voltage and current for ideal class B amplifier. You can observe only for the half cycle of VDS, you can get the output current ID. So for this amplifier, we assume that the drain current is sinusoidal for one half cycle and 0 for other half cycle. అంటే ఓన్లీ హాఫ్ సైకిల్ మాత్రమే మనకు కరెంట్ వస్తుంది. మిగతా రిమైనింగ్ హాఫ్ సైకిల్ ఆఫ్ VDS డ్రైన్ టు సోర్స్ వోల్టేజ్ కు మనకు 0 అవుట్పుట్ కరెంట్ వస్తుంది అనమాట. సో మీరు గ్రాఫ్ లో అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, ఓన్లీ పాజిటివ్ హాఫ్ సైకిల్ మాత్రమే ఉంది చూడండి డ్రైన్ కరెంట్. ద అవుట్పుట్ ట్యాంక్ ఫిల్టర్స్ are the harmonics of this current, leaving a sinusoidal drain voltage as in the case of class A amplifier. So the drain current of class B amplifier is ID is equal to IRF sin omega naught t for ID greater than 0. That is the equation 1. So I fundamental is equal to 2 by t. So I fundamental is equal to 2 by t integral 0 to t by 2 IRF sin omega naught t dt. So I fundamental equation ఏంటంటే that is equal to 2 by t integral 0 to t by 2 okay ID sin omega naught t. ID is what? ID is nothing but IRF sin omega naught t. Substitute in the equation 2. Okay, so we can get the, after the simplification we get the value is IRF by 2. I fundamental is equal to IRF by 2. So the output voltage of class B amplifier is IRF by 2 into R into sin omega naught. Since this maximum possible value of V output voltage is VDD. So what is the maximum value of the output voltage? So actually the output voltage is IRF by 2 into sin omega naught t. But the maximum value of the output voltage is what? That is the supply voltage VDD. So what is the efficiency? Output by input. So IRF maximum is equal to 2 VDD by R. So computing the drain efficiency. So మనం డ్రైన్ ఎఫిషియన్సీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలనుకోండి క్లాస్ బి యాంప్లిఫైయర్కు మనం ఏం కావాలి అవుట్పుట్ పవర్ బై ఇన్పుట్ పవర్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ యాంప్లిఫైయర్. సో ఎఫిషియన్సీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే మనకి ఏం కావాలి అవుట్పుట్ బై ఇన్పుట్. హియర్ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ ద output power by input power. So what is the output power? P naught is equal to V naught square by 2R. So V naught అనేది ఏంది that is the amplitude of the signal across the load resistor. అంటే load resistor దగ్గర వచ్చే output అన్నమాట. That is the amplitude. So that is the output voltage. The maximum value of the amplitude remains VDD. So maximum value of the amplitude ఎంత VDD అన్నమాట. So that is equal to VDD square by 2R. This is the formula of the output power of the class B amplifier. So computing the DC input power requires computation of the average drain current. So average drain current is, so మనకు DC input power ను క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే ఖచ్చితంగా మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే we can find out the average drain current అనేది find out చేయాలి. So what is the average drain current? The average drain current of class B amplifier is ID is equal to 1 by T integral 0 to T by 2 VDD by R sin omega naught T dt. So after the simplification of the average drain current, you can get the value as 2 VDD by pi R. This is the only drain current, not the output, not the input power. So for the input power, so what is the input power? Input power is equal to, so that is the PDC anamata. So the output power supplied is PDC is equal to 2 VDD square by pi R. So the maximum drain efficiency of class B amplifier is, so efficiency is equal, what is the formula? Output power. So P naught maximum by PDC. So what is the P naught maximum? P naught maximum is equal to VDD square by 2R. So what is the input power? So the input power is PDC. So after the simplification, you can get the value as pi by 4. That is the efficiency is equal to 0.785. So when if you want to calculate the percentage multiplied with the 100, so the efficiency is 78.5%. That is high efficiency when compared to class A amplifier. Class A amplifier having the only maximum efficiency for the ideal class A power amplifier is only 50%. So in this case, in case of the class B amplifier, the efficiency is more and the linearity is less and the distortion is more. So the normalized power capability of this amplifier is 1 by 8. That is same as that of the class A power amplifier. So the output power and the maximum drain voltage and the maximum drain current of the class B amplifier are same. So next one, class C amplifier. So class B amplifier అయిపోయింది. Next one వచ్చేసి class C amplifier. You can observe the what is meant by class C amplifier. So in case of the class C amplifier, the conduction angle is less than 180 degrees. So what is meant by conduction angle? The transistor conduction angle ante transistor on avutundi anamata. The transistor is on for less than 180 degrees anamata. So the efficiency of class C power amplifier vachesi 80% or more. So the linearity of the class C power amplifier is poor, same as that of the class B amplifier. So linearity వచ్చేసి class C amplifier ఎలా ఉంటుంది చాలా తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. Distortion is more. So the class C power amplifier is used in what? RF power applications లో యూజ్ చేస్తాం. This is about the class C amplifier. సో మెయిన్ గా మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే, సో the conduction angle of class C amplifier is what? Less than 180 degrees. The efficiency of class C power amplifier is more than 80%. So the linearity, so these are the disadvantages. Linearity of the class C amplifier is is poor. The distortion is more. So what are the applications of class C power amplifier is that is used in the RF power applications. So next we can calculate the the efficiency of the class C amplifier. So what is the drain current of the class C amplifier? So that is the equation 1. ID is equal to IDC plus IRF sin omega naught T into sin omega naught into T anamata. So that is the ID. So IDC అంటే ఏంది? IDC is nothing but where the offset IDC which is analogous to the bias current. That is the bias current in a linear amplifier. Okay. In case of class C amplifier, IDC is negative. Of course, overall drain current is positive or zero. So overall drain current ఎలా ఉంటుంది? పాజిటివ్ అయినా ఉంటుంది లేదా జీరో అయినా ఉంటుంది in case of the class C power amplifier. So you can observe the graphs of drain voltage and the current of ideal class C amplifier. So చూడండి, less the conduction angle is less than 180 degrees. అంటే ID చూడండి ఒకసారి. సో ID వచ్చేసి చూడండి, సో దట్ ఈస్ ద హాఫ్ సైకిల్ కన్నా తక్కువగా వచ్చింది చూడండి, దట్ ఈస్ ద అవుట్పుట్ డ్రైన్ కరెంట్. So this is the, we continue to assume that the transistor behaves at all times as a current source. So the transistor ఎలా బిహేవ్ చేస్తుందంటే క్లాస్ సి amplifier లో కరెంట్ సోర్స్ గా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది, బట్ దట్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ ద హై అవుట్పుట్ ఇంపిడెన్స్. సో యూ కెన్ గెట్ ద ప్రాపర్ అవుట్పుట్, we can get the high quality output tank circuit at the high quality resonator circuit at the output side. This is the class C amplifier. So the output of the class C amplifier is, so ID is equal to IDC plus IRF cos omega naught T, where ID is greater than 0. So setting the currents are equal to 0 and solving for the total conduction angle is 2 phi. 2 phi is equal to what? 2 cos inverse minus IDC by IRF. So IDC is equal to what? Minus IRF cos phi. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఇన్పుట్ పవర్ ఎఫిషియన్సీ అంటే ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? ఇన్పుట్ పవర్ అండ్ అవుట్పుట్ పవర్ బై ఇన్పుట్ పవర్. సో మనకు ఇన్పుట్ పవర్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే మనము ఖచ్చితంగా యావరేజ్ డ్రైన్ కరెంట్ అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో ద యావరేజ్ డ్రైన్ కరెంట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1/2 పై ఇంటిగ్రల్ -5 to +5 IDC plus IRF cos phi d phi అనమాట. సో ఆఫ్టర్ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ యు ఆర్ గెట్టింగ్ 1/2 2 phi IDC plus 1/2 IRF sin phi. సో అప్పర్ లిమిట్ వచ్చేసి 5 అండ్ లోవర్ లిమిట్ వచ్చేసి -5. ఆఫ్టర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ విత్ ద ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఫర్ ద IDC yields IDC is equal to IRF by pi sin phi minus phi cos phi. So this is the, so చూడండి, సో I fundamental is equal to IRF by 2 phi minus sin 2 phi, equation 6 and 7. Okay. So VDD is equal to IRF into R by 2 phi minus sin 2 phi. So the IRF is nothing but IRF in terms of VDD is equal to 2 pi into VDD by R in bracket 2 phi minus sin 2 phi. So you can observe the peak drain current is equal to IRF by pi sin phi minus phi cos phi plus 2 pi into VDD by R of 2 phi minus sin 2 phi, equation 8 and 9. You can observe the efficiency of this class C amplifier is equal to 2 phi minus sin 2 phi by 4 into sin 2 phi minus phi cos phi, equation 12. This is the efficiency of the class C amplifier. The conduction angle is swings towards 0. The efficiency approaches 0. Whenever the conduction angle swings towards 0, అంటే reduces towards 0, efficiency reaches to 100%. This is the in case of the class C amplifier. So what is mean by class C amplifier అంటే the conduction angle is less than 180 degrees. The efficiency is high, that is 80 degrees. Linearity is poor. So why the linearity is poor ante the drain current is not the exact replica of the drain voltage anamata. That is known as the linearity. So linearity అనేది ఇన్పుట్ లో ఎలా ఉంటుందో అవుట్పుట్ లో అలా ఉండదు కాబట్టి linearity is poor. Distortion is more. So 100% efficiency is possible in case of the class C amplifier.